Bank new account. எந்த தொழிலை தொடங்கும் போதும் நாம வங்கியில புது கணக்கு ஆரம்பிப்போம். இப்போ நம்ம வங்கிக்கு போலாமா? வங்கியில் புது கணக்கு. ஜெய் கம்ப்யூட்டர் விற்பனை செய்பவர். அவர் இந்த வங்கியில் வங்கி சேமிப்பு கணக்கும் வியாபார கணக்கும் தொடங்க வேண்டும். இது விஷயமாக வங்கி அதிகாரியிடம் அவர் விசாரிக்கிறார்.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm starting a new business in IT and I'm looking for the best banker for my business transactions as well as my personal savings account.
Very well, sir. You're at the right place. We have specialized services for overall customer care.
First of all, I want a business account and a savings account. What is the minimum balance to be maintained?
For business account, we have zero minimum balance scheme, and for saving account, we have rupees 5,000 per quarter.
Will I get a personalized checkbook?
Of course, sir. You will also get debit cards. You can withdraw from any Visa ATM of any bank without any extra charge.
Nice. What is the daily transaction limit for the ATM?
For saving account, rupees 20,000, and for business account, rupees 25,000 per day, sir.
What are the modes of the bank transactions?
You're most welcome at our any branch, sir, but you can do almost all transactions by online.
That is via internet?
Yes, sir. We have 100% secure portal.
What about demand drafts?
You don't even have to visit the bank, sir. You can order demand draft online and we will deliver it to your desired address.
That's very nice. What are the charges for it?
This service is absolutely free, sir.
My business requires foreign exchange transactions. What are the facilities for it?
We are authorized in foreign exchange, sir. You can completely rely on us for your international transactions. Our transaction charges are minimum in banking sector.
And what about money transfer?
You can transfer the money online, sir. Apart from this, our debit card is international. We will also give you a gold credit card, which can be used internationally.
Fine. Do you have the locker facility?
Yes, sir. Generally, we have waiting list, but there are few reserved for privileged customers. I hope you will get your locker immediately.
Thanks for the information. Shall we proceed for the bank formalities?
Certainly, sir. I will need your photograph, PAN card and address proof.
Yes, I will arrange for all the papers. Do you need attested copies?
Self-signed copies are okay, sir. Please fill this form.
What about the nomination?
The nomination form is attached to the main form, sir. And how much money would you like to deposit as an initial amount?
Rupees 1 lakh for the savings account and same for the business account.
Okay, sir.
I will send the form tomorrow. Please check it.
Okay, I will check for completions. You will get your checkbook, debit card and credit card. Also, you will get your username and password for online transactions by courier.
How many days will it take?
Hardly 1 week, sir.
Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, sir.
Bank fixed deposit. எல்லாரும் பணத்தை சேமிக்கிறாங்க. நம்ம பணத்தை பேங்க்ல ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் டெபாசிட்டா சேர்த்து வைக்கிறோம். அது எப்படி நடக்குதுன்னு இப்ப பார்க்கலாமா? வங்கியில் வைப்பு தொகை. பூஜா இந்த வங்கியில் ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் டெபாசிட்டில் பணம் கட்டுவது பற்றி வங்கி அதிகாரியிடம் உரையாடுகிறாள்.
Good evening. Do you look after fixed deposits?
Good evening, ma'am. May I help you?
I want to make some fixed deposits.
Do you have an account with us?
Yes, I have a savings account in this branch. You have my account number.
Okay, madam. How much do you want to transfer as fixed deposits?
Can you please check the balance in this account?
Yeah, sure. Your balance is 2,53,000, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go for 10 fixed deposit receipts of rupees 10,000 each.
But madam, you can make a single receipt of 1 lakh.
No, in case of small needs, I can liquidate only one deposit. Rest of my investment will still remain safe and draw interest.
Very nice. That's a clever strategy indeed.
Thank you.
Please fill this form. You'll get your receipts within an hour.
Oh, I have work to do. Can I collect it tomorrow?
Sure. Please come straight to me tomorrow morning. I'll collect your receipts and keep them ready. Can I do anything else for you, ma'am?
Air travel. விமானத்துல பயணம் செய்யறதுக்கு ஏஜென்ட் மூலமா டிக்கெட் வாங்குறோம். இப்ப நம்ம பார்க்க போறது அங்க எப்படி உரையாடுறதுன்னு. விமான பயணம். ராஜ் நேபாளம் போக விரும்புகிறார். விமான டிக்கெட் வாங்குவதற்காக டிராவல் ஏஜென்ட்டை பார்க்க வருகிறார்.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
I want to inquire about the flights to Nepal.
May I know the number of passengers, sir?
Yeah, single adult.
Single or return journey?
Return journey.
May I know the dates, sir?
The departure date is 1st May and the return is on 15th May, right? To which city in Nepal does the flight go to?
From Mumbai, the flight is to Kathmandu, sir.
Is it a direct flight?
No, sir. The flight is via Delhi.
I will prefer an early morning flight for departure, and while coming back, it can be evening or night.
Okay, sir. You will get the flight of your choice. So, which class ticket do you want to book?
First class, please. Can you tell me about the airfare?
Sir, since you're booking 2 months in advance, you will get a good discount. Let me just check and tell you the final fare.
Is it Air India?
Yes, sir. The total amount is rupees 35,600, sir.
Is it inclusive of airport taxes?
Yes, sir. It is all inclusive.
How shall I pay you?
We accept cash and credit cards, sir.
Okay, I will pay by credit card.
Thank you, sir. Please fill in the details.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, I'll send you the tickets at your residence tomorrow evening, sir. Will that be okay?
Thanks. Please give me a call before you're sending your person to me.
Sure, sir.
What is the check-in time?
At least 1 hour before flight time, sir. You can also check in at our counter at the Mumbai International Airport. Anything else, sir?
No thanks. Have a nice day.
Good day, sir.
ஏர்போர்ட். நம்ம விமான நிலையத்துக்கு போகும்போது அங்க நம்ம எப்படி பேசுறது? இப்ப பாருங்க. விமான நிலையம். ராஜ் விமானத்தில் புறப்படுவதற்கு முன் விமான நிலையத்தில் தனது பொருட்களை சோதனை செய்ய சொல்கிறார்.
Excuse me? Is this the Air India check-in counter?
Yes, sir. Welcome to Air India.
Here is my ticket. I had booked it online.
Your luggage, sir?
Here it is. I'll carry this laptop with me.
Very well, sir. Here is your boarding pass.
Thanks a lot. What is the flight time?
1 hour 30 minutes, sir. Have a nice journey. Your flight will be announced soon.
Thank you. I'll wait in the cafeteria.
ஏர்போர்ட். விமான பயணம் செய்யும் போது சில சமயம் சாமான தொலைச்சிடுவோம். அதை தேடணும் இல்லையா? அது சம்பந்தமா இப்ப அதிகாரியை பார்த்து பேசலாம். விமான நிலையம். பிரயாணத்துக்கு இடையில் ராஜோடைய பொருட்கள் காணாமல் போய்விட்டன. அவர் விமான நிலைய அதிகாரியிடம் இந்த விஷயத்தை பற்றி பேசுகிறார்.
Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
I've come from Mumbai by Air India flight. I think my luggage is missing.
Don't worry, sir. I'll look into this matter personally. Please give me the details about your luggage.
Yes, it's a black color VIP suitcase.
Okay, sir. Don't worry, your luggage will be safe. Please wait here. Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Your luggage was mixed with some other luggage. But we found it. It's at the lost and found counter.
Thanks a lot.
My pleasure, sir. Sorry for the trouble.
It's okay. It happens. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a very nice vacation.
Do you have tourist information facility?
Yes, sir. We have a counter over there. You will get all hotel and other information there.
Thank you very much.
கஸ்டம். நம்ம விமான நிலையத்துக்கு போகும்போது கஸ்டம்ஸ் கிளியரன்ஸ் எப்படி செய்யணும்? இப்ப பாருங்க. சுங்க வரி கட்டுதல். ராஜ் வெளிநாட்டிலிருந்து வந்தபோது சில எலக்ட்ரானிக் சாமான்களை கொண்டு வந்தார். அந்த பொருட்களுக்கு சுங்கவரி கட்டுவதற்காக சுங்கவரி அலுவலரிடம் உரையாடுகிறார்.
Hi, good evening, officer.
May I see your papers?
Yeah, here they are.
Anything to declare?
Yes, I've bought a digital camera and a laptop.
One laptop is duty free, but the camera will be charged.
Okay, how much do I have to pay?
Do you have the invoice for the camera?
Yes, here it is.
Wow, this is a pretty advanced camera. Nice choice.
Thank you.
The duty is 12,500 rupees. Anything else to declare?
Few cosmetics for my wife. I hope I don't have to pay for them.
No, sir, it is okay. Will you pay by cash?
Yes, my wife is waiting outside. I'll get the cash from her. Is it okay?
Certainly, sir. I will clear the rest of your belongings.
Thanks. I'll be right back.
Excuse me, sir. You have to leave your camera and laptop here only.
CA. நம்ம டாக்ஸ் கட்டுறத பத்தி CA கிட்ட எப்படி பேசுறது? இப்ப பாருங்க. CA உடன் உரையாடல். ஜத்தின் தன்னுடைய CA விடம் வருமான வரி கட்டுவது சம்பந்தமாக பேசுகிறார். பணத்தை முதலீடு செய்வது பற்றியும் அவரிடம் அபிப்பிராயம் கேட்கிறார்.
Hi, good morning.
I was about to call you.
Yeah, I know I'm late this time, but don't worry, I have brought all the papers.
That's nice. I will make sure that your return is filed in time.
Thanks a lot. How much income tax do I have to pay this year?
I have to calculate, but you've paid a good amount in TDS, so I don't think you'll have to pay anything in tax.
Oh, thank God. You know, business is slightly down this year.
What have you decided about investments?
Yeah, I have thought of it, but the final suggestion will be yours.
I will suggest money back insurance and mutual funds.
What about shares?
Actually, market is down, but this is a good opportunity for investment in shares.
Is it not risky?
No, if we choose blue chip companies, then it is safe. Don't go for short-term investments.
Shall I buy some gold? What do you say?
Well, gold is liquidable at any time, but as an investment, it is dead. Why don't you invest in gold bonds instead? You get the same returns without actually taking delivery of the gold.
Yeah, that's a good suggestion. Do I have any facility in my returns because I want to buy a new car this year?
Yes, you can buy a car, but don't go for a costly car and be sure to take a car loan.
I don't need a loan.
Maybe, but we will get a tax benefit.
Okay. So when will you file my returns?
Don't worry, we will be in time. Just sign the form. I'll send it to you by email.
Yes, sure.
So, it's done. I will send you the final copies.
Thanks a lot. I have to leave now. I have a business meeting to attend to.
Sure, have a nice time.
Arriving in a new city. சில சமயம் வேலைக்காக இன்னொரு நகரத்துக்கு போகும்போது நிறைய கேள்விகளை கேட்க வேண்டியது இருக்கு. அது எப்படின்னு இப்ப நம்ம பார்க்கலாமா? புதிய நகருக்கு வருதல். கரண் இந்த நகருக்கு இப்போதுதான் வந்திருக்கிறார். அவர் இந்த ஊருக்கு புதியவர். இந்த நகரை பற்றி சுற்றுலா தகவல் மையத்தில் கேட்டு தெரிந்து கொள்கிறார்.
Excuse me, is this the tourist information center?
How may I help you?
I have just arrived and I am new in the city. Can you give me some information?
Certainly, sir.
First of all, I'm looking for a good hotel, preferably a 3-star.
Well, sir, there is lot of choice. Which area will you prefer?
I am here for garment business. So which area according to you will be like the central location?
I suggest you go to Dadar. Here is a list of hotels in this area. You will get taxi outside.
What will be the tariff approximately?
Around 3,000 to 4,000.
Okay, what is the best mode of transport in the city?
Taxis, local buses or trains. Well, local train is the fastest to reach. You can catch a local train to reach your nearest station, and from there you can catch a taxi or rickshaw.
How about hired vehicles?
You can book a car on daily basis. Your hotel can arrange such car for you.
Do you have a city guidebook?
Yes, sir. Here it is. Only rupees 100.
Thank you. Is the city map included?
Yes, sir. You will get all the information you needed.
You have to tell me which is the garment trading area over here.
You will get this information in yellow books. As far as my knowledge is concerned, major garment merchants are in Crawford Market and Dadar.
Do you have an information service in the city?
You can call 888-8888. This is an Ask Me service.
Thanks a lot for your cooperation.
It's our duty, sir.
I really think I have taken a lot of your precious time now. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day.
Complaint on telephone. வீட்லயோ இல்ல ஆபீஸ்லயோ கருவிகள் பழுதுபட்டா நம்ம முறையீடு செய்யறோம். பொதுவா தொலைபேசி வழியே நம்ம இதை செய்வோம். அப்படி ஒரு சந்தர்ப்பத்தை இப்ப பார்க்கலாம். தொலைபேசி வழி முறையிடுதல். ராஜன் புதிய கம்ப்யூட்டர் பழுதாகிவிட்டது. அவர் கம்பெனியின் சர்வீஸ் சென்டரில் இது குறித்து முறையீடு செய்கிறார்.
Good morning, Compaq.
Hello, is this Compaq Service Center?
Yes, it is. How may I help you?
Hi, this is Raj from Andheri. I had purchased a Compaq PC. Yesterday when I went to switch it on, it failed.
Oh, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience caused to you, sir. Will you please tell me the customer invoice number and name of the dealer?
Yeah, dealer is General Electronics and invoice number is 20525.
Okay. And is there any specific complaint, sir?
I told you, it's not working at all.
Okay, Mr. Raj, I have registered your complaint and your complaint ID number is 242. Okay? Yes. And our service engineer will visit you within next 24 hours. Is that okay? And Mr. Raj, could you give me your contact number, please?
Yes, you can contact me on my cell number 93240 21260. I hope the problem will be solved by tomorrow.
Certainly, sir. Now I have your contact number.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Telephone enquiry. சில விஷயங்களை தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம கால் சென்டருக்கு ஃபோன் பண்றோம். இப்போ ஒரு விஷயத்தை தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு ஃபோன் பண்ண போறோம். தொலைபேசி வழியாக விவரம் கேட்பது. கரனுக்கு ஒரு விளம்பரம் சம்பந்தமாக விவரங்கள் தெரிய வேண்டியுள்ளது. ஆனால் அந்த விளம்பரம் காணாமல் போய்விட்டது. கம்பெனியிலிருந்து விளம்பரம் பற்றிய விஷயங்களை கேட்கிறார்.
Hello, is this the Epson call center?
Thank you for calling Epson Call Center. This is Meena. How may I help you?
There was an ad last week in the Mumbai Mirror about some combined offer for a DVD player and a projector. Unfortunately, I lost the ad. But can you give me some details about it?
Sure, sir. Could you just tell me the date of the advertisement?
No, I forgot. But it was in last week's paper. Maybe Saturday.
Okay. Please give me a moment, sir, while I check that information. I'm checking. Yes, I got it, sir. It was Sunday's Mumbai Mirror. What details do you want about it?
I want the details of the product and the demo at my home.
Okay, sir. Kindly note down the number and name of the department.
Yeah, please.
It is 244 5657, or you can dial 58 or 59.
Okay, whom shall I talk with?
You can talk with one of our customer service representative and they will guide you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Is there anything else I may help you with?
No, thanks. Bye.
Thank you very much for calling Epson Call Center, sir. You have a lovely day.
Telephone order. இப்பெல்லாம் நம்ம வீட்ல இருந்து எல்லாத்தையும் ஆர்டர் பண்ணலாம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஐஸ்கிரீம், பீஸா. இப்ப சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு ஒரு ஆர்டர் கொடுக்க போறோம். போன்ல வாங்க பீட்சா ஆர்டர் பண்ணலாம். தொலைபேசி வழியாக பீட்சாவுக்கு ஆர்டர் செய்தல். நேஹா தொலைபேசி வழியாக பீட்சாவுக்கு ஆர்டர் செய்கிறாள்.
Hello, is this Domino's Pizza?
Yes, ma'am. How may I help you?
I want to order a pizza.
Okay, ma'am. Can you give me your contact number, please?
Okay, 9819718825.
Are you calling for the first time, madam?
Yes.
Okay, madam. I will register your name and address first, please.
Okay, my name is Neha and contact number 9819718825.
Okay, ma'am. And your address?
My address A92 Dreams Apartment, Carter Road, Bandra West.
Okay. Thank you, madam. May I have your order now, please?
Okay, I want 2 cheese burst chicken barbecue pizza.
And the size?
Medium?
Any extra toppings, ma'am?
No thanks.
Cold drinks or cheese bread? It's complimentary, madam.
Okay, cold drink.
Thank you, ma'am. Your order time is 5:35 p.m. and the bill amount is 525 rupees.
Okay, please send it to me at the earliest, huh?
Yes, ma'am. It will reach in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then it's free.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for calling Domino's. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
கரியர் கவுன்சிலிங். இப்பெல்லாம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மனசுல அடிக்கடி எழும் கேள்வி இதுதான், அடுத்து என்ன செய்யறது? இந்த கேள்விக்கு என்ன பதில் இப்ப பார்க்கலாம். படிப்பு சம்பந்தமான உரையாடல். நேஹா தன் படிப்பு சம்பந்தமாக கவலைப்பட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறாள். அவளுடைய சகோதரன் ராஜ் அதை புரிந்து கொண்டு ஆலோசனை கூறுகிறான்.
Hi, Sneha.
Hi.
What happened? You look a bit depressed.
Nothing. I'm fine.
Come on, what happened?
I'm just worried about my career.
Why? You have excellent ranking in HSC and CET. What's the problem?
I just don't know what to do.
Okay, let me help you. You look a bit confused, isn't it? Don't worry, nothing will happen. I remember you told me you wanted to be an engineer, isn't it?
Yes.
Which trend in engineering will you select?
I like computers and programming.
That's it. You should select IT. Is there any problem in admission?
No. With the ranks I got, I can easily get into VJTI. But my ambition is to work for Microsoft.
Then the knowledge you will get in engineering college is not enough. You need to do the latest computer course along with it. 4 years of engineering college and the computer course along with it. Then it will work.
But how will I get time from college?
It is difficult but not impossible. You will have to sacrifice your enjoyment time for this. Everything is not free of cost.
Do you think this will help me?
Certainly. Private short-term courses are up to date. And when you pass out, you will have both a reputed engineering degree and knowledge and certificate in latest IT trends.
Thanks, brother. I'm quite out of tension now.
You can also do some part-time job in your IT sector. You won't be able to do that when your college is going on, but you can do it in your vacations. This will add to your experience.
Can you help me in this matter?
Yeah, sure. I will definitely talk to one of my friends. He is the owner of one of the IT development companies.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Now cheer up. We'll go for a treat. Remember, you owe me a treat for your results.
Definitely. Let's go.
Let's go.
லைப்ரரி. காலேஜ் லைப்ரரியில புக்கை திருப்பி கொடுக்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப நாள் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்ப நீங்க பார்க்க போறது அங்க எப்படி பேசுறதுன்னு. நூலகத்தில் மேகா கல்லூரி நூலகத்தில் புத்தகத்தை திருப்பி கொடுக்க வந்தாள். ஆனால் கால அவகாசம் தாண்டி கொடுத்ததால் அபராதம் கட்ட வேண்டி வந்தது. இது விஷயமாக அவள் உரையாடுகிறாள்.
Ma'am, I'm here to return a book.
Okay. You are late by full 3 weeks.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but this book was very important. It is not easily available, and so I kept it for studying.
This is not correct. Many students have queued for this book. They also want to study. What you have done is a selfish job.
I'm really sorry, ma'am, but I needed this book, so.
You could have Xeroxed and returned.
Oh, that did not strike me. But I'll take care of it next time.
It's okay, but now you have to pay fine. It's 3 weeks late. Now you have to pay rupees 210 as late fee.
Please, ma'am, please give me some concession.
No way. You have to pay the fine for your negligence. Otherwise, I have to cancel your card and complain to the principal.
Okay, ma'am, I will.
Okay, submit your book, pay fine at cash counter, and take away your library card.
Okay, ma'am, I will. Is there a telecommunications book?
Sorry, it's already issued. You have to put a claim first. Fill in the claim form.
Oh, please don't. I'll pay the fine, ma'am.
Okay, now pay the fine and take back your cards.
Thank you, ma'am.
Educational Material Exchange. காலேஜ்ல ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட வாங்க வேண்டியது இருக்கும். ஒன்னு நோட் புக்ஸா இருக்கலாம், இல்ல வேற ஏதாவது இருக்கலாம். சோ வாங்க நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட கேட்டு வாங்கலாம். ப்ராஜெக்ட் நோட்டு புத்தகத்தை பரிமாற்றம் செய்து கொள்ளுதல். நேஹா தேர்வுக்கு தயார் செய்வதற்காக தன் தோழி மோனாவிடம் ப்ராஜெக்ட் நோட்டு புத்தகத்தை வாங்கி செல்ல விரும்பினாள். அவள் மோனாவிடம் நோட்டை கொடுக்கும்படி கேட்டுக்கொண்டாள்.
Hi, Mona.
Hi Neha, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, now tell me the reason for the surprise visit.
Oh, you know, Mona, next Monday is our Vivas and I haven't finished writing my journal yet. I know you have your journal completed and certified.
Yes, I got it corrected just yesterday.
Could I please borrow yours?
Yes, you can take it. But when will you return it?
Around 2 days or so.
Okay, take it. But please take care. Don't misplace it or make any stains on it. Or else my Viva will be spoiled.
Thanks a lot. Oh, by the way, have you gotten the last year's question papers?
No. Do you have them?
Yes, my dad brought it from town yesterday. I'll make a copy of it and give it to you with your journal. Is that okay?
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Do you want to have some coffee?
No, dear, I'm already running late and I've got to finish the journal. Maybe some other time.
Okay, take care and be sure to return my journal in 2 days.
Don't worry, it's my responsibility.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Discussion with Professor. படிக்கிற விஷயத்துல நாம நம்ம டீச்சர்ஸ் கிட்ட நிறைய உரையாட வேண்டியது இருக்கும். வாங்க நாம ஒரு டீச்சரை பார்த்து பேசலாம். பேராசிரியருடன் உரையாடல். மீதா தன் பேராசிரியரிடம் ஜெர்மனிய மொழியில் நன்கு தேர்ச்சி அடைவதற்காக ஆலோசனை கேட்கிறாள்.
Yeah, don't worry about the books. Yeah, it's okay.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I'll call you back, huh? Good morning, yes?
Sir, my name is Meeta. I've taken German for my BA.
Yes, I know. What can I do for you?
Sir, I want your guidance for my studies.
You are doing well in class.
Sir, I want to be a professional translator in the German language. Can you please tell me what else I can do apart from my studies to gain proficiency in German?
Nice decision. There are big careers on the international levels for translators. You can only succeed if you speak like a German.
What shall I do for this, sir?
For every language, there are many flavors. Like we have so many ways of speaking Hindi differently in our country.
Exactly, sir. How will I know whether my German is like a German person's German or not?
The best way is to watch German movies and pay attention to the pronunciations.
But where will I get German movies?
Ask in your local video library or download from the internet.
Can I inquire at the German Council?
You can try your luck. Also, equip yourself with the best German dictionaries.
What else can I do, sir?
Read books loudly in front of the mirror. That way, you can also master your expressions.
How?
You can make some German friends and chat with them over the internet.
That's a nice idea. Thank you so much, sir.
But remember one thing,
Yes, sir?
don't neglect your studies while doing all this. Your German degree is also very important.
I'll keep that in mind, sir. Thank you so much for your advice.
You're most welcome. You can consult me anytime. Bye.
Have a nice day, sir.
Courses Enquiry. கம்ப்யூட்டர் படிக்கிறது இன்னைக்கு சாதாரணமாயிடுச்சு. எல்லாரும் படிக்கிறாங்க. இதுக்காக கம்ப்யூட்டர் சொல்லி கொடுக்கும் சென்டருக்கு போய் நம்ம விசாரிக்கணும் இல்லையா? வாங்க நாம அங்க போலாம். படிப்பை பற்றி விசாரித்தல். பிரீத்தி கம்ப்யூட்டர் படிப்பு படிக்க விரும்புகிறாள். இது விஷயமாக கம்ப்யூட்டர் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்கும் மையத்தில் சென்று விசாரிக்கிறாள்.
Good evening, madam. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to know about your course in multimedia.
May I know what are you doing currently?
I'm doing a course in mass media. I'd like to learn more about video editing and computer graphics.
Very well. We have a complete 1-year diploma course in multimedia. You would be given detailed training in multimedia, right away from story writing to direction and camera operations to editing and special effects.
Do you have your own studio setup and equipments?
Yes, we have a fully equipped professional studio and our course is completely practical based.
Is it a full day course? I'm doing my college, so full day will not be possible for me.
You can go for the morning or the evening batch. You have to attend around 4 hours daily.
And what is the course fee?
For 1 year, we charge 1,20,000 all inclusive. This includes your setup cost for your assigned documentary film.
Oh, I get to make my own documentary. That's great.
Yes, I told you, our course is fully practical.
Are there any installment schemes or any scholarships that you give?
Sorry, we don't have scholarship facility, but you can pay the fees in 4 installments.
Do you have any job assurance or maybe a placement facility?
Your work will be judged by top producers and directors from the industry. And you know, most of our students got placed immediately after the course got over. We will also arrange for your campus interviews.
And when does the new batch start?
From the 1st of next month.
Thank you very much. I'll let you know in the next week after talking to my father.
No problem. Just fill this enquiry form. I will contact you next week.
Definitely. Thanks a lot.
Feel free to contact me for any queries.
Of course. Have a good day.
For you too. Bye.
Discussion about a new gadget. நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கையில ஏதாவது ஒரு புதிய பொருள் இருந்தா கண்டிப்பா அதை பத்தி விசாரிப்போம். என் ஃப்ரெண்டு கிட்ட ஒரு புது மொபைல் போன் இருக்கு. வாங்க அதை பத்தி கேட்போம். புதிய உபகரணம் பற்றி தெரிந்து கொள்ளுதல். நேஹாவும் மோனாவும் மோனாவின் புதிய மொபைல் போன் பற்றி உரையாடுகிறார்கள்.
Hi Mona. Where were you yesterday?
My aunt came from the US. I was busy with her for the day.
Oh wow, a new cell phone.
Yeah, my aunt brought this for me from the US.
What's the model?
Nokia 9955.
Ooh, you got the latest one.
Yeah, you know I was about to buy a new phone. Luckily, my aunt brought one for me.
What are the features?
It has 3 megapixel camera with built-in flash, MP4 player, FM.
Does it have Bluetooth?
Yes, it also has infrared.
And how much memory does it have?
It has 8 GB memory and touch panel operations.
Do you have any songs? Can I listen to them? How's the sound quality?
It's great. Try it yourself.
God, you are so lucky.
Yes. Now I can buy a digital camera from the money I saved.
Inform me too. Even I'm planning to buy a new cell phone.
Okay. Hey, it's time for our next class. We have to reach there in time.
Yeah, we better hurry up.
Okay.
Insurance policy. இப்பலாம் லைஃப் இன்சூரன்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் அவசியமாயிடுச்சு. வாங்க இன்சூரன்ஸ் ஏஜென்ட் கிட்ட பேசுவோம். லைஃப் இன்சூரன்ஸ். சாகரின் நண்பர் கரண் ஒரு இன்சூரன்ஸ் ஏஜென்ட். பழைய பிரீமியம், புதிய பாலிசி ஆகியவை குறித்து சாகர் கரணிடம் உரையாடுகிறார்.
Hey Karan, long time, huh?
Yeah, I was busy with business. I have to travel a lot for this insurance business. Hey, you have to pay your premium this month.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. Can I give you the check now?
Yes, sure. There are some good money back policies. I think you should go for one.
Thanks. I was just planning for one. I have to invest for tax savings. So tell me about some new policies.
I can suggest one for your newborn daughter. This one will give excellent returns. It will mature in 20 years. Perfect time when you will need money for her education or marriage. And the life insurance benefits are also there.
What's the premium?
It depends on the policy value.
When do I pay the premium?
You can pay yearly, half yearly or quarterly. It depends on you.
I think a yearly payment will be better.
So, when shall I come to complete the formalities?
Are you free next Monday?
Okay, I will come on Monday. But before that, I will SMS you the premium amount so that you can keep the check ready.
Tell me if you need any other papers.
No. Still, I will inquire and let you know before Monday. Okay, now I have to leave. I have some appointments close by. See you on Monday.
Okay then, bye. Have a nice day. Take care.
இன்சூரன்ஸ் கிளைம். ஏதோ ஒரு விபத்து நடந்துருச்சு. மருத்துவமனைக்கு போகணும். இன்சூரன்ஸ் கம்பெனி நமக்கு பணம் கொடுக்கணும். இதெல்லாம் எப்படி நடக்குதுன்னு இப்ப பார்க்கலாம். இன்சூரன்ஸ் பணம் பெறுவது. சாகர் இப்போதுதான் மருத்துவமனையிலிருந்து வீட்டுக்கு வந்திருக்கிறார். அவர் தனது மெடிக்கல் இன்சூரன்ஸ் பணம் பெற விரும்புகிறார். அவர் தனது நண்பனும் இன்சூரன்ஸ் ஏஜென்ட்டுமான கரணிடம் இது விஷயமாக உரையாடுகிறார்.
Hi Karan.
Hi Sagar. So you're back from the hospital now. Nice to see you. How are you feeling now?
I came from hospital a week ago. I'm fine now.
Thank God you are safe and good as before.
Yes, by God's grace I'm okay now. Hey, but do you remember I have taken medical insurance policy from you?
Yes, of course.
I want to claim for insurance. I was in the hospital for 15 days.
Why did you not use the cashless scheme?
My brother told me not to go for it. So I paid my bills and now I want to go for it.
No problem. Have you kept all the invoices intact?
Yes, I have made a separate file for it. It has all my reports, medicine bills, hospital bills, everything.
Don't worry. I will look into the matter personally. You will get all the claimed amount.
How much time does it take?
I think you will get the check from the insurance company within 15 days.
I hope the case will be trouble-free.
Don't worry at all. I'm here to handle everything.
Thanks, Karan. I think I should leave now.
No way. I won't let you go without having dinner.
Some other day, please.
I will not agree to any reasons. We are celebrating for your health. Don't say no.
Okay. You will never change. Huh? Let's go.
ஆட்டோமொபைல் ஷாப். நாம ஒரு புது கார் வாங்கணும். இதுக்காக ஒரு பெரிய ஷோரூம் போய் விசாரிக்கணும். போலாமா? கார் வாங்குதல். ராஜ் ஒரு புதிய வண்டி வாங்க விரும்பினார். ஒரு பெரிய ஷோரூமில் டீலருடன் அவர் உரையாடுகிறார்.
Good morning, sir. May I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'm looking out for a new car.
We are the authorized dealer for Tata Motors. What's your choice, sir?
I would like to go for an Indica.
Very nice. Tata Motors has recently launched the new Indica Vista. Would you like to have a look at it?
Yeah, sure.
Let me tell you something about the car. This car has 1.3 liters quadra-jet diesel engine with 4 cylinders and 5-speed manual transmission. Above all, you get power steering, power windows and a powerful AC.
Looks interesting. What is the fuel tank capacity?
37 liters. You can go up to 20 kilometers in one single liter.
I want Arctic silver color. Is it available?
Definitely, sir. You will get it. Would you like to take a test drive first?
No, it's okay. I've already decided on this model.
Very well, sir. We'll complete the formalities then.
Sure.
The ex-showroom price is 4,99,661 rupees.
What are the payment terms?
Are you willing to take a loan for this one?
Yeah. Which bank are you attached with?
HDFC, sir. It has the lowest interest rate. All you have to do is pay the 1 lakh as the initial payment and the rest is easy installments.
I want minimum 5 years EMI scheme.
Okay, that can be done. For that, you need to complete these formalities.
When will I get the delivery?
Day after tomorrow for sure, sir.
I hope you will complete all the registration process.
Don't you worry, sir. You can trust me. Before I give you the car, everything will be clear.
Do you need any papers for the loan formalities?
Yes, sir. There is one list. Here.
Okay. Tomorrow I'll give you the check and the other papers. But make sure I get the Arctic silver color.
Definitely, sir. You don't have to worry about anything. Just go for it.
Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Great day, sir. See you tomorrow as well. Thank you.
கார் ரெண்டல். இப்ப நீங்க பார்க்க போறது இன்னொரு உரையாடல். வாடகைக்கு வண்டி எடுத்தல். இந்த பெண் தன் குடும்பத்தாருடன் பிரயாணம் செய்வதற்காக காரை வாடகைக்கு எடுக்க விரும்பினார். இது விஷயமாக அவர் ஏஜென்ட்டிடம் உரையாடுகிறார்.
Excuse me, do you have Qualis on hire?
Yes, madam. When do you want the car?
I want from Tuesday for 7 days.
Where are you taking the car?
I'm planning for a family tour to Goa. I need the car at least for 7 days.
AC or non-AC?
What are the charges for both the types?
AC is 11 rupees per kilometer and non-AC is 8 rupees per kilometer.
Is there a minimum run per day?
We will count 250 kilometers per day, ma'am. Driver charges would be 200 rupees extra.
I want a good car with powerful AC. Last time I hired a car from another agency and my total trip was spoiled. The AC was not working, we had an engine problem in between, and above all, the driver was so arrogant.
Don't you worry, madam. You will not face any problem with us.
Please make sure that you will send toolkit and stepney along with the car.
Sure, madam. Our driver is expert in car maintenance.
Okay, then please send the car on Tuesday at 7 p.m.
Please note down your address, madam. And also give me your mobile number. I'll give you a call once the car leaves the office.
How much is the advance payment?
You can pay me 5,000 rupees now and pay for the fuel on the way. We'll do the final calculations once you're back.
Fine. I will send the check tomorrow morning. Is it okay?
Fine, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you. But please don't forget the date and the time, okay?
Railway inquiry. இப்ப பார்க்க போறது ரயில் பிரயாணம் குறித்து எப்படி விசாரிக்கிறதுன்னு. ரயில் பிரயாணம் பற்றி விசாரித்தல். ராஜ் ரயில் பிரயாணம் பற்றி விசாரிக்கிறார்.
Excuse me, what are the trains for Kolhapur?
There are 3 trains: Mahalakshmi Express, Sahyadri Express, and Koyna Express.
All these trains are from Dadar?
No, Mahalakshmi Express is from Dadar, and other trains are from CST.
At what time does the Mahalakshmi Express start from Dadar?
8 p.m.
Is there first class AC for this train?
No, it has only second class AC.
And at what time does it reach Meerut station?
Morning 5.
Is there a connecting train to Belgaum?
Yes, you will get your connected train from Meerut.
Do I have to book a seat separately?
No, you can buy direct ticket to Belgaum.
At what time will it reach Belgaum?
12 noon, sir.
Thank you. Where is the emergency reservation counter?
It's window number 12.
Will I get a reservation for today?
Try your luck. The train is always full. I'll suggest you should accept even if you get RAC.
Will it get confirmed on the train?
Mostly it gets confirmed, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Talking about fitness. வாங்க நாம நம்மளோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஆரோக்கியத்தை பத்தி உரையாடுவோம். ஆரோக்கியம் குறித்த உரையாடல். மோனாவும் நேஹாவும் நெருங்கிய தோழிகள். அவர்கள் ஆரோக்கியம் பற்றியும் உடற்பயிற்சி பற்றியும் உரையாடுகிறார்கள்.
Hey, hi Neha. Hi Mona. Look at you, so slim and trim.
Thank you.
My God, such a change since the last time.
Yeah, I think we met after 3 months.
Yeah, what's the magic?
No magic, dear. I joined the yoga center 2 months back.
So health conscious, huh?
I think we all must be.
You're right. Nowadays we live such a stressful life. We must take care of ourselves.
Not only our body, we must all take care of our mind too. And there is nothing better than yoga for this.
You're right. I joined gym a month ago and now I'm bored.
You don't need to go to the gym to do yoga. I went to a yoga center 2 months back and I did yoga over there. And now I practice yoga regularly at home.
You've done the right thing. In gym, they gossip more than they exercise.
I will take you to the yoga center if you wish.
Oh, that'll be great. So, when are you willing to spend time on me?
Tomorrow morning?
Okay, what time?
5:30 a.m.
That's fine. I'll come to your place to pick you up in the morning. I'll get my car.
Okay, I'll wait for you. But don't make me wait for long.
Of course not. I'll be on time. Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Talking about sports. இப்போ நீங்க பார்க்க போறது இன்னொரு உரையாடல. விளையாட்டு பற்றிய உரையாடல். ராஜும் நேஹாவும் நண்பர்கள். அவர்கள் விளையாட்டு பற்றி உரையாடுகிறார்கள்.
Hi Neha.
Hey, hi Raj.
I got the VIP passes for tomorrow's 2020 cricket match. Would you like to join me?
India's match.
Yeah, it's against Australia.
I don't like the 2020 game. It's so fast and the players don't even get a chance to show their real talent.
But it's exciting and it just finishes in 3 hours.
So you prefer the game to a movie?
Not like that. I love cricket.
Me too, but I like test matches more.
Come on. 5 days of game with no result. It's just a waste of time.
I don't watch full day. I just watch the highlights.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
Of course, Sachin. I just love to watch his batting.
I like Brian Lara Moore. The flow of runs from his bat is an experience to watch.
I only watch the game in which India is involved.
I make no injustice to any country. I'm on the side of the game, not any specific country. Anyways, being an Indian, I always want India to win.
But why go to the stadium? We can watch the match on TV.
No way. There is minimum cricket and maximum advertisements on TV. Have you ever watched a cricket match in a stadium?
No, not yet.
Then come with me tomorrow. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Hey, but tomorrow Asia Cup hockey final is there. And India has entered unbeaten into the finals.
Do you watch hockey matches?
Of course, yes. It is our national game.
I like it too, but cricket is my first love.
So you go and enjoy yourself tomorrow and I'll watch the hockey match. And we'll watch the highlights together.
As you wish. Bye. I have my classes to attend. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Casual party talk. இப்போ நீங்க பார்க்க போறது இன்னொரு உரையாடல. பார்ட்டியில் உரையாடல். ராஜும் கரணும் முன்பின் அறிமுகம் இல்லாதவர்கள். இருவரும் ஒரு பார்ட்டியில் சந்தித்துக் கொண்டனர். இருவரும் உரையாடிக் கொள்கிறார்கள்.
Hi, I'm Raj.
Hi, I'm Karan. Nice to meet you. You are from?
I'm from Mumbai. How about you?
I'm from Delhi itself. So, nice party, huh?
Yeah. After every conference, such parties arranged by the organizers.
That's nice. You know, during the seminars, you hardly get to know each other. And at such parties, you make new business friends.
True, very true. So what's your business?
I'm into garment export. You?
I represent some prestigious brands in India.
That's nice. Do you attend these seminars every year?
Mostly. It's very essential in our business.
So, how long are you in Delhi?
I'll be leaving by tomorrow night.
How about lunch?
Oh, no such formalities, please.
Come on, it's my pleasure. You are in our Delhi. And next time when I come to Mumbai, I'll force you to treat me.
Of course.
So it's done then. I will pick you up tomorrow at 11 a.m. I'll call you from the lobby, okay? What's your room number?
It's 1250. I'll wait for your call. Thank you.
Definitely. You know what? I need to go. I'm getting a bit late. My wife's waiting for me.
Okay. Nice
Okay?
meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, man.
Bye.
Take
Good
care.
night. Good night.
Friends, எங்களுக்கு தெரியும் எங்களோட இந்த டிவிடி மூலமா ஆங்கிலத்துல சரளமா பேச ஆரம்பிப்பீங்கன்னு எங்களுக்கு முழு நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு. ஆனா இந்த விஷயம் இதோட முடிஞ்சிர போறதில்ல. நீங்க உங்க முயற்சிய தொடர்ந்து செஞ்சுக்கிட்டே இருங்க. ஆங்கிலம் பேசுறது எப்படிங்கறத பத்தி 2 டிவிடிங்கள செஞ்சிருக்கோம். உங்ககிட்ட 2ஆம் பாகம் இல்லனா இன்னைக்கே வாங்கிடுங்க. உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து விடைபெற நேரம் வந்துருச்சு. ஆனா நீங்க உங்க முயற்சியை செஞ்சுக்கிட்டே இருங்க. மிக்க நன்றி.